How to fix MetaTrader app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app MetaTrader. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Head towards the option of General. Go ahead and click on the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Open the app MetaTrader. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. You have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. Once you delete this app from your device, you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app MetaTrader, and once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix MetaTrader app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.